Hello everyone, today we will assemble all the engine components prepared in the previous video. So let's get started. Take the crankshaft and connect with the connecting rod. The pin with the axis of the connecting rod and fix center to center. Enter. Then take the piston, axis with the axis, enter, middle plane of the piston with middle plane of the pin. Constraint the middle plane of the piston with the middle plane of the origin, so it works properly in vertical line. Fix with the side 4 mm distance, enter. Align this component face to face, align the holes and flush this side, enter. Take the ring, copy couple of times, connect center to center, the top face with the space of the piston, center to center, select one face and constraint with another face of the piston, enter. The last one, center to center and face to face, enter. Let's rotate and it works properly. Now switch off the crankshaft, copy all the components, paste and assemble with the crankshaft. Take the axis and constraint with the axis. Middle plane of the piston, constraint with the middle plane of the origin, enter. This side with the other side 4 mm distance, enter. Switch off the crankshaft, copy the object, paste, switch on the crankshaft and constraint the center to center. Middle plane of the piston with middle plane of the origin, enter. This side with the other side 4 mm distance, enter. And we complete with the last piston. Switch off the crankshaft, copy all the object, paste, switch on the crankshaft, constraint, axis to axis, middle plane of the piston with middle plane of the origin, enter. This side with this side 4 mm distance, enter. Let's rotate Now we want to give a motion. Angular constraint, select a plane of the crankshaft, constraint with a plane of the origin point, enter, drive it, increase the speed, rotation, and play. And this is the result. Reverse. Everything works correctly. So this is the front view, and the job is complete. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment below. Thank you so much.